You have heard and learned about these amazing skincare ingredients which can do wonders for your skin, and you are just raring to start using them. But are you a little unsure about how to combine them in your daily skincare routine? I am Dr. Latika Arya and I have more than 20 years of experience, and I am the founder of Dr. Latika Arya Skin and Aesthetic Clinic, New Delhi. Today I will be discussing with you the various ways in which you can layer your skincare ingredients to get the maximum benefit, and I will also be talking about the guidelines to follow while applying the skincare ingredients, and I will also discuss a typical morning and a night skincare routine. First of all, does it really matter in which order we put our ingredients? Yes, it's very important because the order in which we put the ingredients may affect their absorption, and also some ingredients tend to react with others and they deactivate them and completely wasting our product. So it's important to know which ingredients to avoid applying with each other so that they do not get neutralized. So the general guideline in which the ingredients need to be applied are generally from the lightest to the thickest, or from the water-based products to the cream-based products. So if you have a serum, a lotion and a cream, so then you would layer first the serum and then the lotion and then the cream, because they are in the order of the thinnest to the thickest consistency. And it is also important to give a gap when we apply some active ingredient to get it absorbed properly before applying any other product. Now coming to a typical daily morning routine. So as we know that it's very important to cleanse first thing in the morning, because we want to remove the oil and the residue from the previous day's creams that have been put at bedtime. And after the cleansing, a toner is an optional step. If you want to remove further residue or you want to add some prep to the skin to match the pH to your subsequent product, you can use a toner. And the next step is to apply an antioxidant serum, because during the day we are exposed to ultraviolet light, the environmental pollution and all other chemicals around us. So we need a product which will neutralize all these harmful chemicals, preventing damage to our skin. So a popular antioxidant serum which we like to use is vitamin C, about which I have already talked in my previous videos. Then you may apply an under eye gel containing antioxidants and moisturizers to protect this delicate region from the environment during the day. And then comes the next step of moisturizing. So a moisturizer should be based on the skin type. If the skin is dry, it can be a little bit lotion based moisturizer, or if it is oily, then a gel based moisturizer can be used. However, if the skin is very oily, then you can actually skip this step and straight away go to the next step, which is the application of sunscreen. Now there are some sunscreens which have a moisturizer added to them, so even people with dry skins can completely skip the moisturizer and apply this sunscreen which has a moisture base. Now coming to the night routine. So cleansing of the face at night is very important. If there is a lot of oil or there is makeup on the skin, it is better to first remove the makeup with a micellar water makeup remover. After that, you need to wash your face with the gentle face wash, rubbing gently, removing all the impurities, and then you can use a toner put on a cotton ball to wipe the skin. So this removes the remaining debris and the dust on the skin, and also helps to rebalance the pH of the skin, which helps to absorb the subsequent products. So after doing the toning, the next step is to apply the active skincare ingredient. This active skincare ingredient will be different for different people depending on their skin concerns. So if somebody is having pigmentation or dull skin or blemishes on the skin, they can use an AHA based product. AHA includes products such as glycolic acid, lactic acid, citric acid, malic acid. So they help to exfoliate the outer dead layer of the skin. They are acidic in pH, and after applying them you feel a little tingling sensation on the face. Sometimes these AHA products are combined with other skin lightening agents so which makes it the only product that you need to apply. But if your product only has AHA, then after a gap of around 10-15 minutes, you can apply your other required skincare ingredients, which may be a skin lightening product, or it may be a skin boosting or a moisturizing product. So this can be again in the form of a serum, such as hyaluronic acid serum or niacinamide containing cream, or kojic acid, arbutin, or it can be a peptide product. This is followed by the use of an eye cream. So the night eye cream is a little thicker, it's more hydrating, and for people who can tolerate, it may be a retinol based eye cream. So this helps to boost the collagen of the skin under the eyes and prevents wrinkling. Then coming to the anti-aging wonder molecule retinol. So retinol can be applied on the skin after completing your other steps, but if your skin is very sensitive or very dry, then it is better to alternate your AHA with retinol. So one night you can apply AHA and the other night you can apply retinol. And finally you can apply a moisturizer over retinol to seal in the product and to absorb better, and also to hydrate the skin. So my friends, I hope now you have understood how to combine your products and how to layer them. So just to summarize, so basically we need to remember that we need to apply the thinnest product first, followed by the thicker products. Serums are applied before the creams, and sunscreen goes on the last in the morning, and the moisturizer goes on last in the night. So generally an antioxidant product in the morning and a repair and a nourishing product at night. So if you combine your products in the right sequence, you will start seeing better and faster results, getting a glowing skin in no time. If you have any more questions about how to combine your skincare products, you can mention in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please share it with your friends and like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Keep watching.